Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you want to only edit part of a raster layer's content in Photoshop Elements, you often select the area to change. When you make a selection in a Photoshop Elements file, the selected area appears within a dashed selection border called a selection marquee. Changes you then make only affect the area inside of the selection, protecting the rest of the file and its layers against the changes. In this chapter, you will look at the various tools you can use to make selections in Photoshop Elements. One important thing to note about selections in Photoshop Elements is that while you often base the shapes of the selections you make on the content of pixels in a selected layer in Photoshop Elements, the selection itself is only associated with the Photoshop Elements document, not its individual layers. When you click to select a layer in Photoshop Elements while a selection is active, your choice in the Layers panel only determines which pixels in the selected layer of the Photoshop Elements document to change within the pixel selection area using whichever tools or commands you then apply. So, there can only be one active selection at a time within the Photoshop Elements document, although you can save selections as additional channels within a Photoshop Elements document if needed. You can also load these saved selections as needed and add, subtract, and intersect them with one another and with other selections you create, as you will see in later lessons. However, there can only be one selection active at a time within a Photoshop Elements document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.